guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I thought I would talk about this one website that I found really helpful, and I thought like if more institutions and colleges and schools can adopt to it, it will be so easy for us students. And I personally have been using it and I really found it so helpful. And even not just institutions, for creators also, this is such a good website. So I thought I would give a rundown what website am I talking about, how to use it, and all the features. So the website that I'm talking about is called Golpo AI. It's like a whiteboard AI generate video generator, and I've been like using it and it's like really good. So we'll talk about like how it is useful for us college students and how like institutions like schools and colleges can adapt and start using it. It is not just another AI tool, it's like a complete video explainer that explains so well so that if you're a visual learner, you can easily get it into your head. Recently discovered it and I've been using it ever since because I am a visual learner and I like to learn through audio visual contents like watching a lecture, YouTube videos. So usually when lectures give you just like slides, PowerPoint, and just endless documents, textbook, and research paper, it's so hard for me to like digest it, and we don't have that attention span to like sit and read through it. It's either us putting it to ChatGPT and summarizing it, or just like we need like a quick explanation of the topic and of the concept. So there was this one specific topic that I was doing a presentation on and I wanted to like learn more about it. And after like reading a lot of materials, I felt like I want to watch something so that I get the concept engraved in my head. So I was searching for videos on YouTube and I couldn't find anything. And I was like, what do I do? Like, do I generate a video? And I was like scrolling, and I found out this website and I was like, okay, let me give this a try. And I tried it out. In order for you to create a video, all you have to do is upload a PDF, a PowerPoint, a lecture script, or a transcript, or even just speak out the idea aloud, and GoPro will generate the full explainer video that fits the topic perfectly. The narration, visuals, timing, and storytelling all will sync automatically, which honestly feels like a magic at the first time you see it, when you see it happen. And what really stands out to me is like how practical it is for institutions such as colleges and schools. And you can, instead of like faculties repeating the same thing again and again, they can generate one video, and like if someone has doubts, they can just show the chapters and explain the concept, and this will be really useful for someone who is an audio visual learner, and they can use it for years. It also accepts voice instructions, so instead of like manually editing something, you can literally speak commands like make this faster, highlight this definition, or like any tool to adjust the video accordingly, and it will feel so natural, especially for educators who is more comfortable talking than typing because there's a time constraint and it's a lot easier to just command things instead of like typing and wasting your time. And also has a lot of flexibility videos for LMS platforms. There are also vertical videos for digital learning and branded content for institutional communication as well. And they also have an audio only formats for podcast and other supplementary material. If the website handles all of it, and this is such an helpful tool because with our attention span, we don't like to sit through boring lectures. So the more the faculties make it engaging, the more we can sit and like understand the concept better. Instead of like sitting and studying the day before exam, we can already learn in class. And it just goes beyond just converting text into videos. Teachers can define the exact duration that they want, whether it's like a short 30 seconds recap for a revision or a detailed 10 to 15 minute lecture style explainer. And it also supports like 40 plus languages, which is a huge advantage for multilingual colleges and institutions, and it serves a diverse student group offering a bilingual courses. The narration isn't robotic. You won't feel like it's AI generated. It actually has emotions, a nice pacing, and a good tone. And if a teacher wants the video to sound like them, it also offers voice cloning, so the lessons feels more personal, more than an AI generated content. Students can hear the familiarity of the teacher's voice, which create continuity and trust. One feature I found extremely useful for teachers is the team features. Instead of every teacher buying separate credits, a school or a college can simply create a shared team account where all teachers can access the same pool of credits, and each teacher can create their own lessons for their own classes, but the management stays unified and organized, so it will be different for everyone. This makes it so easy for every academic departments to collaborate, share resources, divide responsibility, and maintain one centralized content library for an entire institution. Just imagine every teacher in a department being able to contribute video to a same pool, all like neatly categorized, easily accessible, editable, and genuinely feels like a modern digital version of a departmental resource room. I'm really impressed by how it balances automation with control. Like you can generate a video, but it also gives you like a freedom to like freely edit it and make any changes according to your need, and that is really helpful. And when I tried it for the first time to make a video that would explain my concept in a simpler, more easy way, I found it like I was able to actually prepare for the presentation after watching the whiteboard explainer. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can see like concepts are explained in whiteboards, and this is also another way to like generate income as well. If you are a tutor and you are posting on YouTube video, you can easily create concept and just upload it. That would also help a lot of students who is trying to like learn more about a specific concept and understand and gain knowledge.
Often starts quietly, during a moment of vulnerability. You're feeling lonely, searching for purpose, and a friendly invitation appears, perhaps at a community event or through social media. They overwhelm you with affection and acceptance, a tactic known as love bombing. But this warmth comes with a condition: absolute loyalty to a charismatic leader who claims special power and can never be questioned.
So if you're also someone who learns better through audiovisual content, you should definitely check this out. I'll provide all the links in the description box down below so you can try it out and also recommend it to your schools and colleges so they can implement it and we can all have an interactive and engaging classes. So that's all for today's video. I hope this helped in some or the other way. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.